Hello, my name is Crystal Quinto, and today I'll be talking about my factorial design proverb experiment. So my two independent variables are my well-being and sleep time. So how I measured well-being was by using an interval scale of 1 to 10, measuring stress levels, and low stress levels would be anything under 5, and high stress levels would be anything over 6. And how I measured the sleep time was early being anytime before 11 p.m. and late being anytime after 12 a.m. And then my dependent variable was well-being, and how that was calculated was by asking the participants to rank their general well-being on a scale of 1 to 10. That's also an interval ratio scale or interval scale, sorry. And then the type of design that I used for this experiment would be between subjects design, as we would avoid mixing the designated sleep times of the participants. And also we cannot control the stress, as it would be unethical to have certain groups have higher stress and lower stress. And my extraneous factor would be any sort of health issues, whether it be mental or physical issues that might affect sleep or stress levels. And so, yeah, by keeping these controlled, we'll make sure that we don't have any skewed results. And the instructions that each participant was given was a short daily survey where they would report the previous days slept and their well-being rating for 2 weeks. And then using these daily surveys, we are able to compare the sleep levels to sleep, or sorry, the stress levels to sleep time, or the well-being levels to sleep time. And the participants had an equal number of female and male subjects, which were all between 18 to 24 years old, so that college range. And the participants were asked to sleep how they normally would, and all subjects must fill out the same survey daily and must be treated equally throughout the whole experiment. And over here is my data. And what we found to be true was that the earlier the sleep time and the earlier the sleep time, the better the well-being was, a score was, so less stress. Um, yeah, so that's everything about my factorial design proverb. Thank you so much. And now how do I stop this?